Hello, everyone. Bruxism is the habit of clenching and grinding teeth consciously or unconsciously during the day or while sleeping at night. The biggest side effects of bruxism are the wear, breakage, and loss of our teeth. It can also cause serious trauma to our jaw muscles and joints. The treatment methods for bruxism are primarily prosthetic treatments and filling methods to address the losses on the teeth. We create special night guards for our patients to eliminate nighttime clenching habits. By using these, we try to prevent the losses in our patients' teeth and the issues in the jaw and other tissues. Recently, with the development of Botox treatment, we are alleviating discomfort in our muscles and reducing teeth clenching and grinding habits as much as possible with Botox treatments injected into the muscles. You can ask me any questions you would like through our social media accounts below. Looking forward to seeing you.